Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Side Dental Vlogs, and today I'll be telling you how to become successful in dentistry or dental practice, how to grow your patients, and increase the amount of income what you're getting from your clinic. So, whenever you're trying to open a new clinic, so search a place which is a common public place, like there should be a bank or there should be some common marketplace in which people usually go for some kind of shopping. So, if your clinic is there in that place, it will be visible to the public. That is the number one point. Whenever you buy things, you always see right here and there which market is there. You go to a common market. If you open a clinic inside a colony or deeper inside a colony, only that area people will come. So it will be difficult to grow your practice soon in that kind of area. The second thing which is important in your clinic is consistency. Yes, in the initial years of your practice, you should be quite consistent, but rather I would suggest ki you should take only a evening break in Sunday for the first 2 3 years. You can take a break in between, but try to be maximum स्टे इन द क्लिनिक एज लॉन्ग एज पॉसिबल. अगर ऐसा बहुत लोगों का मैंने देखा है कि पेशेंट नहीं है तो वापस चले जाते हैं. इवन द पेशेंट कम लेट इन द इवनिंग एज वेल आफ्टर फिनिशिंग हिज हर वर्क. सो आफ्टर यू बिकम एस्टैब्लिश्ड इन योर क्लिनिक, you can set a particular time for yourself, but in the initial years of practice it's very necessary to give time. The third which important thing in your clinic is the work, and the patient behavior should be very good. Your work should be, that is the skill which we all have at different levels, and the behavior with the patient, and you should be cordial with the patient. And it's not like patient is misbehaving with you. It's not like you have to think from the patient aspect, means you have to take the patient's perspective into count, and then according to you have to act. You have to be very calm during your dental practice, because dental practice is very difficult. According to me, it's not easy to do extraction. So you have to give proper time. You have to give your 200% when you're working. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपका मन नहीं है and आप कर नहीं रहे हो, right? You have to give your 200% whenever you're working. Even if you are not feeling like working on the patient, just give the appointment to the patient. So I think if you follow these 3 4 simple rules, your clinic will grow very slowly, but eventually it will grow. Right now, the problem is there are a lot of dental clinics because the jobs are very less in the market. So what people will do, all the graduates and postgraduates, they are opening their clinic. So what I would suggest, if you are planning to open a new clinic, open an area in which there are very less amount of clinics. Right. Even if your present clinic is not running and you are currently going into loss, you close that clinic and open the clinic in a suburban area. Don't wait कि कब मेरे patients आएंगे. Right. You have already been waiting for 3 4 years, and since there is no patient, because all the patients are going to a practitioner who are already 10 15 years there sitting in the practice, they have also struggled. So let them eat the fruit, and you take your clinical practice in your native place or in a suburban area or in a village where you will get more amount of exposure. And now everybody is having that much amount of money, so they can afford treatment. Yeah, I mean to say you cannot charge for a root canal what you charge in a city like Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore, but you can charge little bit lesser than that. And if your clinic interiors are good, neat and clinic, patient will pay you. Initial years of practice are very difficult. Like for less you have to work, you have to be a little bit flexible in your charges, what I feel you should do. Because if you become adamant and if you like charge like exorbitantly high, or from the very beginning, people won't get have the trust to spend that much money in their dental treatment from you. So you have to build a name first. That is the very important thing. Your name should be there, then only people will come listening to your name, and at that time you can charge a little bit higher. The next tip which I want to give is कि ऐसा नहीं कि if somebody rich is coming, person is coming, you are charging more, and if a person who is a poor person, you are charging little bit less. Charge almost the same. Yes, you can give treatment options. These are the implants which are the costlier treatment options. अब कोई गरीब पेशेंट आया, बोल रहे यार इम्प्लांट लगा लो. He doesn't have money to take care of himself. Why he will spend so much money in implants? Give them RPD. Even RPD is there. इम्प्लांट के पहले तो RPD FPD था ना. तो इट्स नॉट लाइक कि अभी पूरी इम्प्लांट बाजार में आ गया है, वो सब दिखता है, लेकिन एक्चुअली में लोगों के पास पैसा बहुत कम है. And if you want to get that kind of cream public in your clinic, you have to spend more, you have to invest more, you have to open a clinic in a very posh area. Then only you can get these kind of patients. So I think today's video is enough for me, for you guys, and थोड़ा सा इंसाइट दिया है मैंने, और भी ऐसी वीडियोस मैं लाते रहूँगा क्लिनिकल प्रैक्टिस को ग्रो करने के लिए. कंटिन्यूस ऐसी वीडियोस आएंगी. And if you are not following me on Instagram, you can follow me in Sai underscore dental. Till then, take care. Bye bye.